Hi, this is AJ Bender, Stuckey Ford and Subaru in Hollidaysburg. This is a 2017 F-150 XLT SuperCrew cab, 4 doors, 137, 5-liter V8, a max trailer tow package, backup camera. Very nice features on this truck. Lots of room in the back seat. Box links, locks, power back window, cloth seats with an adjustable center console there. It's got navigation, Bluetooth phone, apps. Lots of cool features here. Heated seats, which is nice. Trailer backup assist, satellite radio. Very, very clean vehicle, 2017 leftover. Give me a call at 814-693-5544, and we can get you in this vehicle. Thank you much.